I believe that having born as human beings, if we miss spirituality, we have missed human life. Please forgive me if you don't agree. Since I have been invited to speak something, I have to express what I feel. Whether you agree or not agree, that's not much of my problems.
I've been smoking on this purple, living in a smaller circle, and I realize, yeah. That's why I stay so high, yeah. That's why I stay so high, yeah. That's why I stay so high. They say I'm acting different, but nigga, I'm the same old. You the one that's the difference, cause you jocking on my style. Call overs just to ride low, smoke it down, that's 5-0. Sniffing lines through the nostril and sitting talking to Diablo. The past though, don't come close. Skinny version of Rambo, respected all them niggas that went to school with the same clothes. People finding themselves, pop a shroom, talk to rainbows. Been lost up in my high, I think I've realized that since I was a youngin', all these people wasted time. I'm writing your life lessons when I'm lost in my dimension. When smoking was in the trend, I was stoned up in detention. Throw my uncle into prison with 3 children and no visits. But you know they would be damned if they was in that same position. So motherfucker, this is life, live it right, we don't live it twice. I did this overnight, smoking Cali Pine, trying to find me, yeah. I've been smoking on this purple, living in a smaller circle, and I realize, yeah. That's why I stay so high, yeah. That's why I stay so high, yeah. That's why I stay so high, yeah. So high, 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 so high.